Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on lock screen launcher and theme. As you can see here, we've got the wallpaper section, so let's tap, and here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So you can choose it from static wallpapers, under it we've got the dynamic wallpapers, and here we've got some animated ones, or we can pick the gallery, so we will be transferred to our own photos and we will be able to set them as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from the static wallpaper. Simply tap on more in the right corner, and as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose, and basically in order to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will appear on the full screen. So here we've got the wallpaper preview, but by tapping on this option we can check how it will look like on the lock screen with this clock applied, or on the home page with the icons. So if you like the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on apply here, and right now you can decide where you want to actually set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, which is right here, home screen, or both. The home screen is simply called launch here, so it's up to you. I will pick both options, and as you can see, here we've got the info that it has been set successfully, so we can go back and check. And as you can see here, we've got the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.